Bowery, we're a B2B software and marketplaces investor. Everything we do is B2B, so I don't touch anything really that's like directly interacting with consumers. And everywhere, our initial checks are always investing at the seed stage. We certainly do kind of our pro rata and follow-on rounds, but we want to be like one of those initial checks into the business, or at least institutional checks. We're a lead investor, so we take a very thesis-driven approach to the opportunities that we look at and the deals that we ultimately invest in. And in addition to investing, we have this acceleration team, which works exclusively with our portfolio companies between the seed and Series A stage. And the goal for that team is just helping our companies ultimately generate more revenue more quickly than they otherwise would. So how does that break down in practice? It's really like a large part of it is around go-to-market strategy, pricing, negotiations, refining your funnel. Like we know that the seed Series A stage is about trial and error. We try to help prioritize that list a little bit in terms of what we might try on the go-to-market side of the house. And also we help with that transition from founder-led sales to building some kind of repeatable model that we can also then hire people. So the second part of our team is like a recruiting people and talent and sort of benefits function. That's also going to help source candidates for you, screen candidates, talk to you about benchmarking, think through compensation. It can get kind of tricky in the early days when you're thinking about fixed and variable and equity comp. And so it's just a resource there as well. So that's maybe like the highest level on Bowery. We have, I'd say our first marketplace investment was in 2013. We invested in a company called Transfix, which is going through a SPAC process right now. But along the way, we've made quite a few additional B2B marketplace investments. I'm happy to talk to you more about those, but I'll stop there, Mike.